and welcome back to the channel. This is Gaming Kimmy 330 and I am your host Kim. Hello my gamers, how are we all doing? I know it's been a few days and I'm sorry. Lots of things going on here. Getting ready for Christmas and all that stuff. But anyway, back at it now. We're going to start with some Animal Crossing. I did want to have a little chat with you guys. I have been doing a few episodes of Disney Dreamlight Valley. I know that is a popular game. I only have just a few views on each episode. So, if you want to keep that series, you gotta watch it. Tell your friends. I need more views in order to keep that running, because if I don't get any more views, I'm not going to keep that series running. We'll move on to something else. I was thinking maybe a Pokemon series, because I actually love Pokemon. Anything Pokemon, I'm all about. My son and I and his best friend, we did get into playing the card game, but we felt it to kind of be babyish. But that's about the only thing I don't do. I do play a lot of Pokemon. I also play Pokemon Go, and so I'm all about the Pokemon. So I was thinking of starting off with Let's Go Eevee, because that's the copy that I got. I have all of the Pokemon games, and I eventually want to try to do a series of each one, but if I do a few videos and it doesn't get the views, we're going to cancel it. So if you want to continue to see Disney Dreamlight Valley, please get on there and watch the videos. Tell your friends to watch the videos. If you have any questions or comments on the series, that I'm not doing something and you want to see me do it, or something that I'm doing wrong, let me know, please. I want to know. Okay. But the Animal Crossing, that's getting views left and right, so we're keeping that series on. I may go in depth here a little bit, and I have Happy Home Paradise attached to this. We may do a few videos where I'm just doing, that. And then, of course, the update comes in January. We're about a month and a half away from the update, so there'll be lots more to do there. So Animal Crossing is doing real good, so we're going to continue with it. I mean, this is like my favorite game of all time right now. I'm thinking about venturing into some other games, like I did with my son. We did the Diablo. Can't do the Diablo on a regular basis because my son works during the week. He works 4 10-hour days, and when he gets home, he is exhausted, which I understand. And then on his days off, he likes to rest, so, excuse me. Oh. Woo, excuse me. So every once in a while, there will be a Diablo stuck up there. I've been thinking Skyrim, because that's the game that started it all for me. When I first started gaming, I bought a PS4. My son, like I said, he was younger. He was, I don't know, 8, 9, 10, 11, somewhere in there, and he wanted somebody to play with. And so I said to my husband, I said, how about we get a PS4 for me, and I will play with him. And he said, okay. So when we went to the store, we found a PS4 Pro, and my son was like, buy me the Pro, buy me the Pro. And I said to my husband, let's make a deal. Let's buy him the Pro, and then I'll take his PS4. So that's what we did. He was excited about that. And so the first game that he set me up with was Skyrim. I had watched
다른 비를 미리가 지렌스 라하르 이와방상가르
에이리드 윤가르 만가르 바가미르 바르 에레즈다비 이슬람그르 바질라 에레즈다비 예즈리 유가리르 메즈리 엔게리 가르사와 잔다르 동그리는 비행기 그리고 언자고름즈르 비라 이즈고르 바로 리고르드 나르 에라자드 바리사 베리르 바리르 그리로르 조가미르 베리르 손 이링그 바온 비아바르 그리그르 비나르 이즈잔바고 마레이라고 비르 버리 지자기야 레그가서 장만 가빈커 밤규르가미 대중즈 마우자르비 밤비라즈 바리아야 nom르 바지르 벤지그 마미스레그 사사비나르 나르 유만 바베니바 이버르세르 바르가 나우르 자나르야 카르라비 밤사이르미 레밍그
Open them up. I forget how many there are. There's like 6 or 7 vendors that he has on the island that you can come to anytime and buy and get the stuff that you need. Which I do time to time. Like I said, the art. I always do the art. Okay. Now that we opened his island up, I guess you can say, quote unquote, we opened it up. We are going to go to resident services and we are going to invite somebody over. Roscoe! Now, since I haven't been on for days, we start out at 50. Okay, here we go. Yes, let's invite Roscoe. Hi, Roscoe here. Nice to get a call. I'm guessing you need something, am I right? Campsite, eh? That's so sudden, but why not? I got no other plans, nay. So he's a horse, as you can see. Alright. Let's go get Mr. Roscoe in. I'm here thanks to you inviting me. That is, thanks, nay. Camping with a whole mess of folks is okay. You can make it a social event if you wanna. Me, I kinda like the solidarity camping experience. That's more my style, nay. You know what'll make me happy? An ironwood table made right here. Alright, I can do it. What? You have the skills for that? This is turning out to be one amazing day, kiddo. I'm thinking you'll need this ironwood table recipe. I give it to you, so please put it to good use, nay. Alright. Yeah, I know you need it today. Oops. Gotta get the right buttons here. It needs 12 wood and 6 iron nuggets. Okay. 12 wood and 6 iron nuggets. I went to Treasure Island recently and got more supplies. I don't even remember. Oh, I don't have much, do I? I like my pockets empty when I'm doing stuff because you never know what you're gonna need. Ooh, have a floor light. Put that somewhere in the living room. Okay. I'll take you a quick tour of the island. I can't remember what I've showed you and what I haven't showed you, but I think actually you do it this way. Oh, gotta get some plants. Still don't turn. I did put the stalls there. I don't know if they were there. I did her front porch. And then I added on land here, and I put this nice little, make it look cozy, like a little teeny restaurant. I might put plants or something around here, I'm not sure. We'll have to see what's going on with that. I put table and chair here. I'm going to do a little something here. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but we'll do something. I have lots of open space here to do some kind of display. Oh, got a money tree. Hold on. Put this stick in there. Got some stars. And then, of course, we did this. This was the last thing we did. Remember this? And then we had the coffee over here. We're going to go in here and get some coffee. Let's go get some coffee. And then when we're done here, we're going to go get Roscoe for another day. Let's drink it fresh. Because we don't feel the temperature. Oh, yum. Found the blend I want to drink for the rest of my life. I'm more of a tea person myself. I like tea, whether it's hot tea or iced tea. I'm all about the tea. Okay. Oh, you're not gonna let me. I thought we could buy a cup of coffee to go. That's my plan. When we're able to get the coffee to go, we're gonna decorate the entire island with coffee. I put it on the tables, I stick it on the stalls, all that kind of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna save it now and go to another day. Okay, let's load her up. Seems kind of loud. Okay. Alright. Well, there's Harvey. Wow, he's still on our island. Ticks. I don't do much with ticks. Did I not skip a day? Alright, sorry guys, I must have not skipped a day. When I backed out, it may have not gone to the next day. I apologize. We gotta get through this one more time. It'll be quick. Oh, I know what it is. I have to completely log out. Crap. Crap. That's what it was. I didn't log out. We're gonna have to do this another time. I'm sorry. This is gonna be a super long video. Extremely long video. I apologize. Oh! I guess we are another day. Look at the frickin' snow flying. I hate this season. Everything goes white. I hate it. Because I hate snow. I should live someplace warm. Hello there, everyone. Right on Adamstown. It is 12:15 on Wednesday, December 10th. Oh, I just heard that CJ is visiting Adamstown today. It sounds like he's just here to relax, but I know he's always interested in buying fish if you have any to sell. That's all for now. I hope you all enjoy the loveliest of lovely days. I know it's snowing because... Crap, I'm gonna have to go get some... I'm gonna have to go get some heavier clothes on. Darn it! What are these? Oh, that's right. We're like, I gotta get in here and get some heavier clothes on. I'm not gonna run around in a dress and dress shoes in the snow. We're gonna see if we can find. Wrong one. Gonna see if we can find a sweater and some pants. I don't think I have any boots. Oh, we got a jacket. Could do a jacket, but I want to do this. And then we need some kind of pants. I guess we'll do those if we have any kind of... Well, we do have... Ah, there we go. That's what we're going to wear. Yeah, that's what we're going to wear. Okay, got that. Put the pants on. Put the boots on. There, now we're ready. Now we're ready. Okay. Floor lamp. Maybe we can squeeze that in right here. Okay. Not exactly what I was thinking of, but okay. Alright. Let's go. And I don't have a hat. I need to get me a kind of winter hat. Oh, alright. It's me, Cherry. I was going to help you out with one of those more useful reactions today, but, I'm kind of stumped. Sorry about that. But what? Hang on. Did you not know how to do apologetic? Wow, that was lucky. Sorry I didn't teach you sooner. Look at Lucky. So cute. Lucky and Cherry are like top 10. I have several. And if I don't have enough, like I only have Roscoe and I have one more that we're going to do that are dark. And then we'll have some others left open. I may get some of my dreamies that I like. Judy is one of my dreamies. I love Miss Judy. Little bear cub. Oh, she's adorable. She does not fit the Wednesday theme, but she's too cute not to have on your island. And I don't know if I have the amiibo to Raymond. I love Raymond too. He's cat. And then, of course, there are some Animal Crossing amiibos that are named after my family members, and I love them as well. Okay. You got a sandwich? That looks good because I'm hungry. Raccoon figurine. Okay. I have never heard of that in this game. I hope I have whatever materials this needs. Holy moly, a raccoon figurine? What the heck? Clay. Okay. I even have it. Would have never guessed. Okay. Let's make a raccoon figurine. Do I have any hats, by the way? We'll take it. A knit hat. We will take it. There. We look more like we're for the snow. We look better. One of these days we're going to get in here and the ground's going to be all white. That's going to suck. I hate the freaking cold. Yes, we finished it. A safety vest. Like Wednesday wants a safety vest. We'll go through some of this stuff and we'll get it in our pockets and we'll take it and sell it. Yep, you're going to be invited back. Don't you worry, none. You're coming back. Did I see... Woo! Alright. One more day. This should be the last day. And then we will go one more time forward so that we see him coming into the island. So. You see our tree? It's got snow on it. Snow's here. The snow is here. Hello there, everyone. Right now in Adamstown, it is 12:23 p.m. on Thursday, December 11th. I don't have any big news to share with you all today, but I would like to touch on one seasonal topic. Snowy days like today always put a chill in my bones that I just can't shake. Luckily, nothing warms my heart more than the sight of a perfect little snowflakes dancing through the air. Sometimes I'll gently scoop them up with a net to look at their beautiful intricacies way up close. Oh yes. Now we're going to get a DIY to make something with the snowflakes that we cannot catch. Anyone with DIY recipe app should have received my recipe for a snowflake wreath. I may make them. Something like that I may make for my residents. That's all for today. Have a fun day out there. Yeah, that's cute. I may make them and give them to all my residents. There it is, all frickin' snow. I think we have it until March, I think. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Alright, Mr. Roscoe. Alright. It makes me cold just looking at this freaking crap. Oh, do I hear? I thought I heard my cat. One of my cats in the background. I thought I heard her jump. I thought she was on my table in the background. Yep. We still camp. We have friends that have a camper modeling clay. I've had that before, I think. That takes clay, of course. They have a camper at a private lake, and they invite us up. We always try to go camping. So much fun. Oh, wait. Wait, first I gotta learn it. Good Lord. I gotta remember what the heck I'm doing. Okay. So now we're gonna do this. Modeling takes clay. Only takes 2 clay. So. I do have clay. Yes, I have 15. Alright, I'll just go get him and get him to come here. I hate even looking at it in a freaking game when it ain't even real. I hate it. I live in Pennsylvania, and so the other day we got like 3 inches. It was like 2 days ago we got it, and yesterday the sun was out all day, and so it melted about 1.5 inches, maybe 1.75 inches. So, but there's still snow on the ground. It's still cold out. Ugh. That suit sounds like something we gotta sell. Well, good. There you go. There it is. Don't be sad, move in. Are you serious? Alright, we're gonna have to kick somebody out. Who we kicking out? There is actually space to build. I could make room, but you only get so many. Yep. Okay. Let's get rid of Carrie. Yep. Sorry, I keep having to stretch my legs out. I had a knee replacement over 1.5 years ago. It's good, but when I keep it bent for too long, it bothers me. So I have to stretch it out. And underneath my desk, my husband was nice enough to build me a shelf. This desk, by the way, he originally built for my son. When my son was here gaming, this used to be my son's room. And when my son moved out, he moved in with his girlfriend. I took this room over. We cleaned it all up. We repainted it. And this is like my crafting/gaming room. You've seen in my videos, you've seen every part of this room because I have done videos in all parts. You've seen behind my door. You can kind of see my gaming setup. Maybe I will do a video if you want. Put down in the comments if you want to see me do a complete room. I will do that for you. If I don't get any comments on it, don't worry about it. But I took this room over. And so this desk my husband had made for my son. It's just leftover wood that he had from my husband is a DIYer. And he has done many things to our house since we moved in. One of the biggest things he did, the biggest project, and we're kind of still working on it, our back porch. In the back of our house, there was a concrete pad along the whole length of the house. And it was open. It had a roof over it, and it was open. And so he kept saying, I want to enclose that. I want to enclose that. I want to enclose that. So it took a few years, but he eventually started working on it, and the whole thing is enclosed. And we have done a little bit of decorating on it, not a whole lot. I wanted a beach theme. And so the walls are all like a light blue, like a watery. And then down the bottom he did, and then he painted it, and he threw sand in the paint so it would give it a rough texture on the wall to look like sand. I love it. I absolutely love it. And that's kind of like, the back porch is kind of like a catch-all, if you will. I have a very, very small gym. I need to work out because I need to lose weight, and I need to get my butt on it, and I might do that since I'm off for a week and a half-ish, 2 weeks maybe, of work. So, I have a treadmill, I have a exercise bike, and I have a weight bench. And then that's where we store our outdoor furniture during the winter time. There's a spot there. And then there's all our fishing stuff. We love to fish as a family. My husband used to fish, and he got me and my son into fishing. And so there is all kinds of fishing. There's a spot where I have all my fishing poles, which I have about a dozen of them. There is a cabinet that has all of our bait in it, and then there's a spot where my son has all of his fishing poles. He has about 10, 12 as well. And then in our garage, my husband has his poles. So there is fishing stuff everywhere. So that's something that we like to do as a family. So that's just kind of... Anyway, I got way off the topic. I just wanted to say about my desk. He made this desk, and then he put a shelf down below that I could put my feet on so I can stretch out while I'm playing. Anyway, let's get back to it, because I want to go to Harv's Island now. Alright, Roscoe, we got him. Yep, we're going to see you around. Now we're going to go to Harv's Island, and then I'm going to have to stop this video, because I'm sure we are well over. We're at 45 minutes now. I have money, right? Yep. I'll make sure I got money. And that's the first thing I gotta do. You gotta buy it. You need 100,000 to open up. So, let's go get... Oh, one fly. Yep. Alright. Okay. And there it is. Hold on, Harv is AWOL. Not letting him do bad on his post, or do much of anything, really. Except there's a new path over there. Land-based. Reckon it's not my area. So it looks like it's up to you. Alright, I'm gonna need to stop here for just a second. I will come back. Okay, and we're back. And we're here at Harv's Island. It's all opened up for us. So now we're gonna go visit Harv and Maddie. Or Hattie, excuse me. So did you get the little note I sent you? Well, you must have since you're here. So excited to share this with you. This right here is going to be the heart of our new collective. I've really put my soul into this. But I've had plenty of help from all kinds of folks along the way. Like my old pal Harriet here. We go way back. You can call her Hattie for short if you want. They most certainly cannot call me that, Harv. Only you can call me that. Sorry, sugar, I'm Harriet. It's nice to finally meet you. I've heard all about you from Harv here. Well, there you have it. Where was I? Oh, right. My dream collective. Well, this is what I envision as the heart of the movement. A central plaza filled with co-ops. Now here's the business part, where it gets kinda ugly. I hate even talking about bells, you know. But a co-op can't build itself without a little cooperation, so I think the best idea is to have a little fundraiser. Every time we raise enough capital for a co-op, we get a new one going. Golly, did I just say capital? Well, I suppose that's my sales pitch. Sorry, I never was cut out for the sales. But I'd be mighty grateful if you were interested in helping us realize this dream. Even if it's only a little bit at a time. Every little bit helps. Leave it to me, we got it. That's great. Out of this world, I knew I could count on you to help me Wednesday. I actually got another old pal to volunteer as well. You know my buddy Lloyd, don't you? Well, he was so kind as to reach out to some of his old pals, also named Lloyd, and they'll all be volunteering. Gosh, I can't read. So when you're ready, just go ahead and talk to any old Lloyd about which co-ops he's collecting for. Feel free to explore the area, meditate, or snack on some vegan pumpkin gnocchi if the mood strikes. Thanks again for helping us, and I'll see you around. Okie doke. I don't remember. Foreign shoes and handbags. That's not the one I want. This is the one I want, the art dealer. Legitimate art dealer, that's what we want. Okay. I wish I could do 2 or 3 of these today, but I can't. You can only do 1 a day. Okay. So tomorrow this will be open when we come to the island. And then tomorrow we can pay for another one. You can only do 1 a day, which I think sucks. You gotta be able to open up everything up that day, but you can't. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to our island. Pack some snacks and make some tracks. Little do they know I'm snacking. That's what they can do here. I'll tell you what. I had some health problems, and I'll tell you what. Once my doctor and I figured out what it was, and all it needed was a diet change, I am feeling so much better. I just can't believe how much better I feel. Just freaking diet change would make all the difference. Alright, that's what I had for you today. I'm probably going to go on and go to some treasure islands. If you want to know how to do treasure islands, I can't do them on here because the codes that you use to get on the treasure island only last for so long. So whatever code I put in that you're going to see, you won't be able to use that code. So that's why I never do that on here. However, I will talk you through it if you would like. I actually won't ever put a code. Let's just do that real quick. You have to go on Twitch. Okay? You have to get an account on Twitch, which is completely free. When you set up your Twitch, I think you have to pick 3 games that you're interested in. You have to pick Animal Crossing. Once you pick Animal Crossing, it will go into this screen, and it will have you got your main screen here. Your screen's, at least it is on mine. My iPad is what I use. Which I have right here. I have a mini, iPad mini. I took this with me to work when I was at the hospital. Because when I worked 3rd shift, I used to sit one-on-one with somebody. I used to watch them at night. And if they were asleep, I would watch stuff. Usually I would watch YouTube. Sometimes I watch Netflix and, you know, other stuff. But anyway, I got into the treasure islands. Half of your screen has your normal Twitch, and then the other half will show these treasure islands. There's a box, and there's several treasure islands. The top, I think 2 rows, are free. The other ones you have to subscribe. Now, at one time, I did subscribe to it, but it was such a mess to get in to go get stuff. I thought, why do all this? I mean, it was only $5 a month to join, but you had to be a part of the Discord, and every time you went in, you had to tell the Discord that you're going in, and then you had to go do your business, and then when you left, you have to tell the Discord that you're leaving, and that's too much of a rigmarole. I don't want to have to do that. I want to be able to get in, get where I want, and get out. So, you're going to go to your doodle, and you're going to tell him I want to fly, and he's going to set you up. Well, he's going to ask you first where you want to go. You're going to want to say, I want to visit somebody. Okay. And this is where we'll do the distinction. Local play is somebody that is in the room and has a Switch with you. Okay? Online is you're going to go somewhere else in the world. So we're going to say online. We want to visit online. Now, he's going to set you up with your internet so that you can go. Because you need internet to go back and forth. And he's going to set up my internet connection. Make sure everything's a go for me to go back and forth. So now it's saving. How do we want to travel? We're going to search via dodo code. So we're going to search by dodo code. And then he's going to ask you for the dodo code. And what you're going to do is you're going to go in here and you're going to put the dodo code of the island that you want to go on. Okay? And it's a mixture of letters and numbers. And as you can see, all of the special characters are out. And they will not give you the I or the O. But everything else, you'll just put the dodo code in. And it will tell you you're looking for, because each island has a name. Every island has to have a name. And it will tell you, are you looking for this name of this island? And you hit yes. And what it does is, if it's open, okay, each island has 7 spaces. 7 people at a time can be in there. If it is full, it will come back and say, oh, there's an error. Somebody must not have their phone, I think it is, their phone on airplane mode. So you can't get in if it's more than 7. And it will say full. If there's, 5 or 6 people in there, if you hit go, it will try to get you on that island. Takes a little bit. It takes about a minute or so, sometimes 2 minutes, depending upon internet and traffic and all of that. You can get in. Once you get in, okay, you can run around the island and get whatever you want. Whatever's laying on the ground, you can pick up, okay? Now, if somebody comes or somebody leaves that island, it stops you where you are, and it has to go through this whole loading process, which a lot of people don't like. But if you're patient enough, you can get it what you want from these islands. The 2 islands that I visit the most are the materials, okay? And there's one that has materials and I think plants. And it has every plant, has all the flowers. It even has the hybrid flower colors that you make. It has the golden flowers. It has all the bushes. It has, let me think, there's so much it has. It has all the materials. It has the wood, the clay, all of that. It has all the fruit. It has all the vegetables. I'm trying to think what else it has. Lots and lots and lots. So that's how you do it. And then when you're ready to go, you pop back in there. You pop back in their airport and you say, I want to go home. So that's how you do the treasure islands. I enjoy that because you get the stuff that you need. Okay, that was the material and plants. The other one I visit is the furniture. Because that has all of the furniture that you need. I mean, that has couches and bathroom and computer and anything you can think of that you need for your house, it's in there. That is one way that I cheat. I don't like to cheat at this game, but cheating, I will do the treasure islands. But now y'all got me cheating, getting the residents in here. So, anyway, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. And you all have a great gaming day. I love you all. Bye-bye.